Well, you asked me how to check to see if a whistle tender works. You get yourself a diode. This is a 6 amp diode. Got from a popular store. This here's a smaller diode that'll work. And I don't know if this one will work. This is a light LED, a yellow lit LED. All right, here's how I check them. I'll put a bunch of volts on it, basically about 16 volts. I just go, well, I guess it don't work. What's wrong with this one? Ah. Let me try with the other one. Maybe this one isn't working. That's why it hasn't been blowing before. You put this one on. Alright, she's on the track. I wonder how much volts this is actually putting out. This transformer, it's up to 20 volts. Or maybe there's something wrong with the contact. We need some oil or something. Alright, there's 20 volts. So here's how you test it, Ed. Take your diode. Simple as that. Rub it back down. I wonder why this one wasn't working. Wires are all hooked up. Try it again. Ah. There we go. This is the contact. Alright? So you basically stick a diode in there. Alright, now let's see how light a diode I can put in there. Now the yellow one I got a feeling will probably burn up. Alright, the 6 amp is out. I forget how many amps this one. It's been a while since I bought it. I'm going to hook it up. Alright, I'll put this one back on. Take a look at it. Work on the contacts, maybe on the tracks. Let's take a look here. Get it hooked up.
Hurry up, stop fumbling around, man. Can you see the track? Get it on there. A 2-year-old can do that. Fumbling old man.
He's on a straight track.
Ah, straight track, you ass.
He's being lazy. It's the one
Yeah.
with the.
That's not lazy, that's stupid.
Come on.
Come on. All right, about time.
Right. I guess it is right. Oh, wait. Okay. And I'll bring it back up. Works fine with that one. Now let's see if I can melt this one. Alright, I'll disconnect this one.
Okay, burn it up. Get that, yeah, that yellow LED in there. I mean, it only holds like a quarter, not even a quarter amp, like a tenth of an amp. Yeah, you know that thing ain't gonna drive that horn. What a
Alright.
fool. Okay.
Well, I could probably put a resistor in. It lit up, and I think I just burned it out. Alright. I just toasted that LED. It lit and died. Alright, so it couldn't handle it. But I wonder if I put a resistor in there, but I probably wouldn't have enough current to drive the motor.